So today, what are we going to learn? The new chapter, Haloalkanes and arenes. So in this chapter, first let us know about the introduction of this chapter, Haloalkanes and haloarenes. So you must know about what is this haloalkane first. So let us see what is haloalkane. Just have a look what I am writing on the board. Haloalkanes. The answer is found in the word itself. Halo tells us about. It could be any atom of halogen. You know pretty well that the halo group belongs to group 17 in long form of periodic table, group 7 in short form of periodic table. The first member of the family is fluorine, second member chlorine, third member bromine, fourth member iodine. As you move from top to bottom, the reactivity decreases. And next one, the part of the word haloalkane is alkane. This also you know pretty well that alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. So what do you mean by the word saturated? So you can know that simply, since this is hydrocarbon, only carbon and hydrogen atoms are bind with each other, in which around carbon atom, all the bonds are single. This tells us about the 4 valence electrons of carbon is satisfied by 4 hydrogen atom in the case of this hydrocarbon. So I have drawn one carbon skeleton. Around this carbon skeleton, you could see that all the bonds are single bond. This is saturated hydrocarbon. Okay. You would have studied about in your lower level. Saturated hydrocarbons will undergo substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. So what is substitution reaction? In the place of an atom, another atom is going to fix it. So let us take the first member of alkane family, that is CH4. In this, there are 4 hydrogen atoms. All the hydrogen atoms are replaceable hydrogen atom. Let me tell you very shortly. One hydrogen atom is going to be displaced by one halo atom. Let us take chlorine. So when you remove one hydrogen atom from this methane, it goes to methyl. And in the place of the hydrogen which was displaced, chlorine is going to take up the position. So now we have got chloromethane. This is the IUPAC name, and methyl chloride is the common name. Now this is our haloalkane. This is monohalo compound. Here, in this monohalo compound, this chloromethane has still 3 replaceable hydrogen atoms are there. All hydrogen atoms are replaceable hydrogen atom. Let me remove one hydrogen atom by another one chlorine atom. So on removal of one hydrogen from CH3, it turns to CH2. Already there is one chlorine atom. Another one chlorine is going to be added. So this is dichloromethane. And dichloromethane has 2 replaceable hydrogen atoms. In this, one hydrogen is displaced by another one chlorine. You will be getting CH, Cl3, trichloromethane. And trichloromethane also has one replaceable hydrogen atom. That one hydrogen also is replaced by one halo atom, that is chlorine atom, to have tetrachloromethane. So here we have 4 halo compounds which was given by alkane. One is chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane. So these are substituted halo compounds of alkane. So these are all haloalkanes. So the first part of the chapter, what are we going to learn is haloalkane and haloarene simultaneously. And the last part, we are going to see about the polyhalo compounds, in which you will be learning very elaborately about this. So far what we have studied is what is haloalkane alone. So halo compounds, these are organic halo compounds. Alkanes, in which the hydrogen atoms are replaced by any of the halo atom. In this chapter, very interesting thing, the fluorine is highly reactive. So fluoro compounds will be only a handful and iodine is least reactive. The iodo compounds also will be found very, very less. Whereas this chlorine and bromine are moderate reactive elements in this group. So you'll be having all over the chapter either chloro compound or bromo compound. So this is all about haloalkane. What is haloalkane? Now, what is haloarene? What is haloarene? So you must know whenever you learn anything, you must know about the meaning of the heading. Haloarene. So this is aromatic halo compound. Haloarene. Aromatic halo compounds. So again, the same halo atom is going to displace hydrogen atom from benzene. So here, arene, I have taken aromatic hydrocarbon, I have taken benzene, in which you know pretty well that the chemical composition of benzene is C6H6. There are 6 replaceable hydrogen atoms are found with one benzene molecule. One hydrogen is being displaced by one chlorine atom. In the sense, you'll be getting C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene. So the chlorobenzene can be represented like this. So this is haloarene. So in this chapter, what are we going to learn is about haloalkanes and haloarenes. So generally, what do we learn in all organic chapters? In the sense, the first part would be introduction. Second part would be nomenclature. Third part would be function or structure of the functional group. Then preparation, physical properties, chemical properties, uses. So this would be the sequential order of all the organic chapters. Yes. Let us start off with what is haloalkane and arene. So here, one general advice I wanted to give you all, whenever you do learn any chapter of 12th grade. So which would be your prime source in the sense, your textbook. You have to learn nook and corner of your textbook. So in this video, I am going to tell you about which are all the areas are very important. And wherever I do underline, you have to underline. And whichever part is very important, I will tell you in this video. Okay. Let us start up with this. What is haloalkane and what is haloarene? So already we have done in this intro, the replacement of hydrogen atom in an aliphatic and aromatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom result in the formation of alkyl halide or aryl halide. So haloalkanes contain halogen attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group, whereas haloarene contain halogen atom attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aryl group. So let us see what is this sp2 hybridized and what is this sp2 hybridized. So very simple technique. In haloalkane, let us take CH3 Cl. So around this carbon, how will you find whether the carbon is sp3 hybridized or sp2 hybridized? If you see only a single bond is around the carbon atom, that carbon is sp3 hybridized. So here the halo atom is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon. In haloalkane, in haloarene, I have taken benzene. You know pretty well that the benzene ring has 6 carbon atom. There is alternate single and double. Here I am going to have one halo atom. How will you find whether the carbon is sp2 hybridized? The doubly bonded carbon atoms are said to be sp2 hybridized carbon. Here you could see that. This is the halo atom attached with the carbon. This carbon is sp2 hybridized carbon. Reason behind it has double bond on it. So this is sp2 hybridized carbon. So here, this is explained. Haloalkane contain halogen attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom of an alkyl group. So this is our alkyl group, methyl. Whereas haloarine contain halogen atom attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom of an aryl group. So this is our aryl group. This is our sp2 hybridized carbon with that halo atom is attached. And many halogen organic compounds occur in nature, and some of these are clinically useful. So here you could read, you can give a good reading on this. So whatever I underline here, do underline and just know that what are the importance of this halo compound in our everyday life. So it is used as solvents for non-polar compounds. And this would be acting as a starting material for producing a lot of organic compounds. And chlorine containing antibiotic, that is chloramphenicol, it is produced by the microbe, which is used for treating typhoid fever. And in our body, the hormone which is secreted by our thyroid called thyroxine, it contains iodine in it. This is used for treating the iodine deficiency called goiter. And chloroquinone is used for treating malaria. Halothane is used for anesthetic agent during surgery. And some fluorinated compounds are acting as substitute for blood in surgery. So in this chapter, we have studied about the introduction. So in next video, we are going to learn about the following part.